Maintaining your bike regularly can prevent most mechanical issues on the road. A monthly checkup with a torque wrench and a general inspection can go a long way in keeping your bike in good shape. As a qualified mechanic, I've tested and used all the tools in this guide. Here are my top 7 recommendations for pocket-sized cycling multi-tools. Park Tool AWS-10. The Park Tool AWS-10 is a staple in every workshop I've worked in, known for its solid and reliable design. Its smooth plastic and rounded corners make it comfortable to handle, and it can endure significant abuse. Although it's more suited for garage use, it's still a handy tool to carry on rides if you prefer simplicity. This tool includes hex keys ranging from 1.5 to 6 mm, allowing you to perform a wide range of adjustments. Despite its basic nature, it's robust enough almost to build an entire bike. Its compact size ensures it fits easily into a pocket or saddlebag, making it an essential tool for any cyclist. The Park Tool AWS-10's durable construction and straightforward design make it a favorite among both amateur and professional cyclists. Lezyne Rap II. For those who prefer a straightforward, no-nonsense multi-tool, the Lezyne Rap II is an excellent choice. Weighing just 84 grams, it is the lightest tool in this guide. It features 3, 4, 5, and 6 mm hex keys, a T25 Torques, and a Phillips head screwdriver. This tool can handle most essential bike adjustments. However, the anti-corrosion coating may wear off over time, which is something to consider for long-term use. The Lezyne Rap II's sleek design ensures it fits comfortably in any pocket, while its durable materials guarantee longevity. This tool's simplicity and efficiency make it ideal for quick fixes on the road, providing peace of mind during your rides. Despite its lightweight, the Lezyne Rap II does not compromise on functionality, making it a reliable companion for every cyclist. Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite NTX Plus. The Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite NTX Plus offers a comprehensive set of tools in a compact package. It comes with a mini ratchet, an 11-piece bit set, and a chain tool compatible with 12 speed chains. Except Campagnolo, the tool also includes a preset torque adapter covering 6 Nm. All these components fit neatly into a Velcro case that can easily slip into a jersey pocket, making it an incredibly versatile tool. The Ratchet Rocket Lite NTX Plus is perfect for cyclists who require a wide range of tools without wanting to carry multiple items. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design makes it easy to use, even in challenging conditions. The inclusion of a torque adapter ensures that you can make precise adjustments, reducing the risk of over-tightening bolts and damaging components. Birzman M Torque 4. The Birzman M Torque 4 is perfect for cyclists who need a lightweight multi-tool without extra functions. This sleek tool includes preset torque features for 4 and 5 mm hex keys and a T25 Torques, making it ideal for adjusting key contact points safely. The preset 5 Nm torque ensures you won't over-tighten bolts, providing peace of mind during adjustments on the road or at home. Its stylish design and compact size make it a favorite among minimalist cyclists. Despite its simplicity, the Birzman M Torque 4 is built to last, with high-quality materials that can withstand regular use. This tool's lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, ensuring your bike remains in optimal condition during your rides. Unior EURO13. The Unior EURO13 offers 13 functions, including a chain splitter, valve core remover, Torques, hex keys, and a Phillips screwdriver. It even has an 8 mm hex key for pedal removal. The tool's quality construction, with chrome-plated tool spindles and black oxide-coated tips, ensures durability. The comfortable plastic sides and smooth action of the tools make it a pleasure to use, whether you're on the road or performing maintenance at home. The Unior EURO13's robust design ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, making it a reliable tool for any cyclist. Its wide range of functions means you'll be prepared for almost any mechanical issue, providing peace of mind on your rides. The compact size ensures it fits easily into a pocket or saddlebag, making it an essential addition to your cycling kit. Decathlon 920 Multi-Tool. The Decathlon 920 Multi-Tool provides excellent value for money, offering a wide range of functions for under £15, $18. It includes hex keys, a chain splitter, Torques and screwdriver bits, a bottle opener, spoke keys, and a Hollowtech 2-bearing preload cap tool integrated into one of the plastic tire levers. This tool comes in a soft silicone case, making it easy to carry and use on the go. The Decathlon 920's comprehensive range of functions makes it ideal for cyclists who want to be prepared for any situation without spending a fortune. Its durable construction ensures longevity, even in difficult conditions. The compact size and lightweight nature make it an excellent addition to any cyclist's toolkit, providing essential functions in a convenient package. Park Tool Mount 40. The Park Tool Mount 40 is a more comprehensive option from the American brand, featuring a CO2 inflator integrated into the tool. This is particularly useful for seating tubeless tires. It also includes a chain breaker and a variety of hex and Torques keys. While it is bulkier than some other models, it still fits comfortably in a jersey pocket or medium saddlebag, making it a versatile and reliable companion for any cyclist. The MT40's robust design ensures it can handle the toughest conditions, making it an ideal tool for serious cyclists. Its wide range of functions means you'll be prepared for almost any mechanical issue, providing peace of mind on your rides. The high-quality construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic design makes it easy to use, even in challenging conditions. Choosing the right multi-tool depends on your specific needs and the type of riding you do. Whether you prefer a lightweight, minimalist tool like the Lezyne Rap II or a comprehensive, feature-rich tool like the Topeak Ratchet Rocket Lite NTX Plus, there's a perfect multi-tool for every cyclist. We hope you found the right pocket-sized cycling multi-tools for yourself, and thanks for watching.